In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Gala display, get it up and running, and using Gala Create as soon as you get it. So let's get started. First things first, unload and take out the base first, because we're going to start putting the wheels on it. I think this is the most efficient, and this is an optional step. If you don't want the wheels, that's completely fine. I like using the wheels for certain events. We're always moving around. So just go ahead, use those screws. And we just have a simple drill here to go ahead and just fast forward that job. Now we're using these other screws that came with it. We're using the Allen wrench to tighten those up, and make sure you put it in each of the holes provided, okay? That's gonna keep the display and the base sturdy. Once that's done, use those keys that came with your display, open up the back, okay? And we're gonna start setting up the power setup. This is the power cord, okay? Just like so, and we're gonna go ahead and just plug this in. Just right there. And it also has this neat little pocket here where you can store away that power cord where it looks nice. And now we're going to go ahead and plug this into a standard outlet and turn on the device just like so, and we're going to close it up. Now once you have your device turned on, you'll see these tools here at the bottom. This is going to be like your navigation. This is the back button that's take you back to the page you were on last. The circle button, which will always be your home button. This will always bring you home. And this little square button is going to basically just show you the different screens all at the same time. And you can exit out of the screens if you want, just like a mobile phone, all right? And now we also have this audio. If you want to turn on the audio, you can simply do it just like that on the screen. Now, let's go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi for this display. You just click internet here and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Go ahead and find your name of your Wi-Fi. Make sure everything is hooked up. And then I want you to go to Chrome, okay? Once you're in Chrome, I want you to go to the web browser and simply type in galacreate.com, because we're gonna download the Gala Create app to start uploading content to the screen. Once you're on this page, click start for free and just follow the prompts to continue. And I like clicking the open button here once that file of the app is downloaded, and it's going to say, do you want to install this app? And you're going to want to go ahead and press install. Okay, just continue following the prompt to open up the app, and it'll open up automatically just like so. So we're going to start uploading some content. Go to source and then browse device. Here you're going to want to use your handy USB stick that came with it. This is where all your content will be in. All right, make sure it's 9:16 vertical. Then click browse device, hit the media button, and all of your video or images will show up here. And we're just going to go ahead and click it like so. And we're going to hit add. All right, now we have the pieces of content added on just like so. We're going to create a playlist, and we're just going to give it a name. You can also choose an icon if you'd like for this playlist. We're going to choose this and hit create. Very well. Now we're going to add that content, that media, and just make sure that you select the media down below and hit that yellow check button, and then hit play on display so you can start seeing what that will look like on the screen, just like so. So here we have a seating chart, very beautiful. And now a very important part to this is we want to go ahead and move around some content. So say the hour has changed, you can just click that that forward button just like that, and you can do the same with the back button. You can go back to the previous content by selecting that button. Now, something that's optional that I like to do is I like to press the lock key on this, so anyone at the events don't mess around with the settings. Pretty much locks the screen right there. And you have the handy dandy tool to unlock it. Just simply go to the top left corner of the device and hold it and you'll restore those settings down below, okay? And if you want to upgrade, simply just go to the subscription here. If you want that Gala Go subscription, and just make sure you create an account if you haven't already. And once you do, you'll be prompted back into Gala Create Go, okay? And now you can start scheduling content, which means you can automatically have it playing at any event, wherever you are. You don't have to be there. It'll automatically transition on its own according to the time that you've set it for. So here we have 2:05 p.m. and we're just going to add another piece of content. Let's go with the seating chart. Make sure that's highlighted yellow and click that yellow check. That next thing you want to do is change the time for whenever you want that piece of content to display. I'm going to just simply put 3:05. Actually, let's make it 3:10 here p.m. and it will play according to that time. And a nice little feature here, once you, if you want, pull that Gala Create app onto your home page so you can always have it whenever you need it. Hope this video helped you get your Gala display up and running. Any questions at all, simply DM us or send us an email at hvdigitalsigns@gmail.com.